Welcome makers. In today's tutorial, we're making a ribbon tea leaf lei. I was recently invited to teach a lei making class at Weber State University where students made this exact lei using ribbon and fabric. It's a great alternative if you don't have access to fresh tea leaf or if you want to make a forever lei. Here is our lei recipe. For the base, this is our tea leaf rope. I'm using 2 ribbons that are 8 feet long. For the leaves, I'm using 1-inch wide ribbon cut into 6-inch pieces in a parallelogram shape. I used a ribbon cutting machine to speed this up, then trim the ends and lightly burn them to seal so they don't fray. You'll need about 60 to 80 leaf pieces for a standard lei. If you want a fuller lei, I recommend starting with around 120 pieces. And for a fuller look, I also like to double my base and use 4 ribbons instead of 2. To start, I'm tying my ribbons together at the top, leaving a little tail to represent a leaf. To make it look more like a tea leaf, I cut the end at an angle and seal it. Now we're going to create our ribbon tea leaf rope. I'm going to twist both ribbons to the right, then cross them right over left. If you've worked with fresh tea leaf before, this is the same technique. To add a leaf, place it between your 2 ribbons. Pull it in so it sits snug, then continue twisting right over left. You can decide how many twists you want between each leaf. That's what controls how full your lei looks. This lei was made with about 4 to 5 twists between each leaf. This one was made with 2 to 3 twists in between, which gives a much fuller look. One thing I noticed during the workshop is that a lot of students started off with looser twists, and then they got the hang of it, their lei became tighter toward the end. The leaves will usually stay in place just from the twisting, but they're more secure and a tighter, fuller lei. I would recommend one of the following options to help secure your individual leaf pieces. Add your leaf and twist right over left to twist it in, then take one side of the ribbon leaf and tuck it into the next twist. This helps lock it in place. Option 2, you can tie the leaf into a small knot after twisting it. If you do this, I recommend using longer pieces around 8 inches instead of 6. We had such a great time at our lei making class at Weber State. I love being able to teach and share this with my community and especially help pass these skills on to the next generation. Thanks for watching.